Now that I'm getting older, here are my favorite quick and effective hamstring stretches. For a first stretch, start in a standing position with feet about shoulder width or slightly wider. Keep the knees and spine straight. Hinge at the waist, lowering your chest toward the ground. Notice how the hips will move back as you hinge deeper, getting your chest closer to the ground. I like doing this stretch for about 10 repetitions, and then I hold the last rep for about 10 seconds. If you need some balance assistance for this one, you can hold onto a chair, a table, a countertop, anything of the sort. Just make sure when you're working this stretch that you really focus on keeping the back, your spine, and your knees as straight as you can. For the next hamstring stretch, start in a full deep squat, just as low as you can. Place your hands on the ground in front of your feet. While pressing the ground through your hands, lift your hips and straighten your legs. Only go as straight as you can get your legs until you feel a stretch along the back of your legs. It's totally alright if your legs are still bent. Over time, as you make flexibility gains, you'll be able to get your legs straighter and straighter. I like using some socks, a racquetball, my smartphone, or another small object to place and hold in my waist. This will increase the intensity of this stretch as you're squeezing that object in your waist, in your hips. Just as the first stretch, I'll do this one for, again, 10 repetitions and hold for 10 seconds on the last rep. These stretches are great to add to your weekly flexibility routine, or use them during your warm-up and cool down of an intense workout session. Repeat each exercise for 2 to 3 sets. Let me know in the comments if these stretches help those stiff hammies. Like the video, share it with a friend in need, and subscribe to Back to Primal, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.